Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to Reviewz Heaven, where we brew up the best reviews just for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best French presses that'll take your morning coffee from meh to marvelous. Whether you're camping, working from home, or just tired of bitter, gritty coffee, these picks bring rich flavor and style right to your cup. From sleek designs to portable presses, we've got something for every coffee fan. Yes, even you tea drinkers will find something here. So stick around, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's press on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Utopia Kitchen 34-ounce French Press. The Utopia Kitchen 34-ounce French Press is a coffee lover's dream, and probably their best morning friend. With its 4-layer filtration system, every cup comes out smooth, creamy, and free of those annoying little coffee grounds. It brews up to 8 cups, though no judgment if you don't feel like sharing. Made with tough, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, this press can handle sudden temperature changes like a champ. No weird odors or funky flavors here, just pure coffee goodness. Plus, it's compact and durable, so it's perfect for your kitchen or your next camping trip. Just don't forget the beans. Brewing is easy as pie. Actually, way easier than pie. Add coarse coffee, hot water, stir, wait, press, sip, and smile. The included spoon makes you feel fancy, even on Monday mornings. And it's versatile too. Tea, hot chocolate, cold brew, whatever you're in the mood for. With its comfy handle and portable size, it's a great gift, or just keep it for yourself. After all, who really wants to share coffee? Just remember, hand wash the lid to keep it looking sharp. The rest can handle the dishwasher. Cheers! Number 2. Bodum 34-ounce Brazil French Press. The Bodum 34-ounce Brazil French Press is proof that great coffee doesn't need bells, whistles, or a college degree to brew. Made in Portugal, this classic press brings out the full flavor and aroma of your beans, turning mornings from meh to marvelous. Its heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe keeps coffee pure and tasty, while the BPA-free plastic base, handle, and lid make it light and easy to grip, even before your first cup wakes you up. The stainless steel plunger and fine mesh keep grounds in their place, not in your mouth. Better yet, this press is kind to the planet. No paper filters, no pods, no guilt, just great coffee. And the patented splash-proof lid saves you from wearing your brew. Nobody looks good with coffee stains down their shirt. It's easy to use, even when you're half asleep. Pour, stir, wait, press, sip. Done. And when it's over, toss it in the dishwasher. Because nobody likes scrubbing at 7 a.m. Cheers to simpler, better mornings. Number 3. BAYKA 34-ounce French Press. The BAYKA 34-ounce French Press is like a little black dress for your kitchen, sleek, timeless, and always classy. Its transparent glass lets you watch your coffee come to life, which is oddly satisfying. Who knew mornings could look this good? Coffee lovers swear by the pure, rich taste this press delivers. No grit, no mud, just smooth, authentic flavor that actually wakes you up, without judgment. And the borosilicate glass? Tough enough to handle boiling water and your Monday morning mood swings. Its 4-level filtration is like having a coffee bouncer. Grounds stay where they belong, out of your cup. The metal mesh, spring disc, cross plate, and final screen all team up for the cleanest sip possible. Cleanup? A breeze. It comes apart easily, and some parts even love a ride in the dishwasher. Whether you're at home, camping, or just pretending you're a barista, this press makes coffee feel like a treat, not a chore. Because let's face it, life's too short for bad coffee. Number 4. AeroPress Go Plus French Press. The AeroPress Go Plus is like having your favorite barista in your backpack. This little genius brews smooth, rich, grit-free coffee anywhere. Camping, traveling, or surviving another Monday at work without a hint of bitterness. Lightweight and compact, it packs right into its own 16 ounces insulated tumbler. Built with shatterproof Tritan and sturdy stainless steel, It's ready to take more hits than your morning alarm snooze button. And with its magnetic splash-resistant lid and filter holder, you won't end up wearing your coffee. By blending the best of French press, pour over, and espresso, it delivers full-bodied coffee with zero fuss. Say goodbye to bitter, acidic brews, and goodbye to cleaning up messy grounds, too. This thing cleans up in seconds, faster than you can say latte. Whether you're sipping hot coffee that stays hot or iced coffee that stays cold, the AeroPress Go Plus has your back. It also makes a killer gift for coffee lovers. Just don't be surprised if they hug you and ask for another cup. Number 5. QUQIYSO Stainless Steel French Press with 4 filters. The QUQIYSO 21-ounce French press is proof that coffee can be fancy and affordable. With its sleek copper finish and advanced 4-level filter, it brews a smooth, rich cup, keeping even the tiniest coffee grounds in check. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your wallet. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass and durable 304 stainless steel, it's built tough but looks elegant. The clear glass lets you watch your coffee swirl and bloom. Kind of hypnotic, actually. Whether you're a barista or just someone trying to wake up, it makes you feel like a pro. Not just a one-trick pony. This press also whips up tea, cold brew, hot chocolate, even almond milk. Basically, it's the kitchen MVP you didn't know you needed. And no more wasting money on paper filters or overpriced cafe coffee. Win-win. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Most parts are dishwasher safe, and the lid just needs a little gentle love. Because hey, even your coffee gear deserves pampering. Thanks for watching this Reviewz Heaven roundup of the top 5 best French presses. We hope you found your perfect brew buddy today. Don't forget to check all the product buying links in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly reviews. Happy brewing!